Why does the brain recover after a seizure? Imagine your brain as a busy city with countless electrical signals running through it. During a seizure, this city experiences a sudden surge of activity, with neurons firing excessively and in sync. This overwhelming electrical storm disrupts normal functions, leading to symptoms like convulsions, confusion, or sensory changes. But after the storm passes, the city begins to settle down and recover. The question is, how does this recovery happen? The brain's recovery after a seizure happens because the abnormal electrical activity gradually subsides. During a seizure, neurons become temporarily exhausted from the intense firing. This exhaustion actually helps to stop the seizure because the neurons become less excitable. Once the seizure ends, neurons start to reset by restoring their electrical balance and neurotransmitter levels, which are the chemicals that help neurons communicate. This process allows normal signaling to resume. Another key part of recovery is the restoration of blood flow in the brain. During a seizure, blood flow can be disrupted, which means the brain might not get enough oxygen and nutrients. After the seizure, blood flow returns to normal, helping neurons repair and regain their function. This is essential because neurons need oxygen and nutrients to recover and work properly again. Neurochemical rebalancing is also vital. Seizures cause a disturbance in the levels of neurotransmitters like glutamate, which excites neurons, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, which inhibits activity. After a seizure, the brain works to restore this balance, which is crucial for normal brain activity and preventing future seizures. Studies using brain recordings show that during a seizure, the complexity of brain activity decreases. Afterward, this complexity gradually returns to normal, often within minutes but sometimes taking longer. As the brain activity becomes more complex again, cognitive functions like thinking, memory, and consciousness improve. The recovery phase, known as the postictal state, can last from a few minutes to several hours or even days. During this time, people might feel confused, tired, or have memory problems. These symptoms happen because the brain is still recovering from the intense activity of the seizure. In cases where seizures are caused by brain tumors or other neurological conditions, recovery can be more complicated. Tumors can irritate or damage brain tissue, which may slow down the recovery process or cause additional symptoms. Managing seizures in people with brain cancer involves careful medical oversight to support brain health and recovery. In summary, the brain recovers after a seizure through a combination of neuronal rest and resetting, blood flow normalization, neurochemical balance restoration, and the return of complex brain activity. This process is essential for regaining normal brain function and is influenced by the type of seizure and any underlying brain conditions. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options to support brain health and manage seizures effectively.